Good afternoon. So let us continue with types of information systems, in which let us discuss about decision support systems. So these are the types of systems which support decisions or the course of action by the decision makers. So these systems facilitate semi-structured or unstructured type of decisions. Unstructured means these are the tactical type of decisions. I think you know about some of the types of decisions. That means some of the decisions are structured decisions. That means these type of decisions can be easily taken, say with the help of computers or any other calculator or any such devices. These are simple type of decisions. Some decisions are complicated decisions that are called unstructured type of decisions. That means for structured decisions, let us say give example related to inventory. Say if the number of stock reduces, so you can order for new product. So this is simple decision. So day to day activity, and that is has been taken regularly. Some of the decisions are unstructured decisions. That means these are a little bit complex, or some are more complex. For example, to fix some advertising budget, to open a new marketing area, or we have to take some new product decisions, or some of the decisions related to acquisition of capital projects. So these are complex decisions, so that are called unstructured decisions. These type of decisions cannot be taken with the help of computers alone. We need some special skills as well as some special type of information systems. So some decisions are semi-structured decisions which involve both type of such decisions. These structured decisions, we can call it as program type of decisions. That means they involve certain procedure or some predefined steps to solve the problem. But unstructured type of problems or decisions are very complex in nature, and these type of decisions does not involve any predefined or pre-stated procedures. So you need to make special type of arrangements or use the information systems to take such decisions. Say these type of systems that are decision support systems, they facilitate semi-structured as well as unstructured or tactical type of decisions. So for example, identifying new products or services to be marketed, human resource scheduling type of activities. Say if we increase some price, what happens to the results? So like that we have to make certain analysis. So for that we are using decision support systems. The main functions of such decision support systems include building the model to solve a particular problem. So these models means these are computational models. They involve some statistical computations to solve a particular problem. And goal seeking is another important use of these type of systems. Say some of the scenarios we can build using what if analysis type of work. For example, if we increase a budget, what happens to the final outcome of the product And if we decrease a budget to a particular section or department, what happens to the final result, that we can check. So with the help of what if analysis, we can create several type of scenarios so that we can choose any one of such scenarios. So these are very much helpful feature. So risk factor analysis is one of the major function that is done by decision support systems. And another thing is forecasting functions. With the help of statistical forecasting, you can analyze the effect of price increasing. You can analyze the effect of investment. That is the future analysis you can perform. So all these type of functions are very much useful when we talk about decision support systems. So these can be taken or used by a single person or job position, or some systems called GDSs, group decision support system, facilitate group decision making. These are very interactive and integrated systems which support group decisions. And next, another type of system we use is executive information systems. These are especially designed for senior executives for taking decisions. So data retrieval is made easy and the information can be obtained in a summarized way. That means you can get some charts or you can get some quick reports, so that by viewing that you can take quick decisions. So especially this is useful for senior executives. So even if they don't have any technical knowledge, they can make use of such systems easily. Example, executive director may be alerted with information about a particular department which is about to cross its limits related to the budgets. So these type of information systems are useful in making strategies, crisis management, goal setting, planning, forecasting, as well as performance tracking related to any particular project or any particular department or for entire division or section of the company. So they will give some summarized type of information so that we can filter according to our needs. For example, you can sort the data based upon the area, based upon the price, based upon the person involved in those project. So various type of filtering of data can be done, and as well as they provide some detailed information related to a particular data or particular project, and they support the integration of both external as well as internal type of data. So our data may be related to the vendors or our data may be related to our customers. It will support, and it provides some of the trend analysis type of information, exception reporting, and various uh, detailed type of capabilities it involves. So these are very much helpful for executives to view quick summary of information related to the information of the enterprise. So these are user friendly systems, as we said earlier, and you can get the information in wide variety of form to get the quick results. So there are different situations in which you have to take the decisions. So for that you need to have the knowledge of the input data that you are entering, and the processing information related to the data, and the final outcome or the result after the processing of data. So executives means it involves most of the top level positions. Some of the middle management also they can use the system. So especially these are built for the executives. So as an accountant, what type of information will be system will be useful to you, and how an accountant or the auditor can get involved in these different types of information systems, that we will discuss in the next class. Yes, thank you.